My name is John. I came across Dr. Klein's office from a referral. So unfortunately, there's just been a family history of bad teeth, and when I was introduced to Dr. Klein, he recommended that we do this implant process, which we have done for many years. He had given me 8 implants on the top and 8 implants on the bottom, and he's actually building my new upper bridge. Within like 6 or 7 minutes of that phone conversation that I had with David, he was able to tell me they're doing this in-house bridge, get me financing, and like I said, I've been here, maybe this is my 4th visit, and I already have this beautiful smile that has taken me a while to get to this point, and Michael was able to help me out, and I won't forget that. Knowing that I had Dr. Klein and his staff here to do what they do, that's such a great experience. It's really been an enjoyable experience. You know, you hear most people are petrified of a dentist. That never occurred with me.